Ring the bell to stop the gondola. Look for us at the end of the race. We need everybody to sign up and get involved in the fight. Save Chinatown, save Olvera Street, save LA historic places.
Ring the bell if you want to stop the gondola. Yeah! Ring the bell if you don't support the court.
Know what that means.
Don't support the court.
Thinking about it.
Ring the bell if you want to stop the gondola. Ring it good.
Yeah, stop the gondola.
You're almost there.
Ring the bell? You see a bell, you want to ring it.
Even research. You gotta stop the gondola. Stop Frank McCourt. Billionaire Frank McCourt thinks he can buy everything. He bought the 5K today, the 10K. He thinks he can buy LA State Historic Park. He thinks he can buy the city council. He might, but we gotta stop him.
That's right.
Billionaires take up too much space. They're drain on our resources, and Frank McCourt doesn't even live here. We live here. We gotta deal with all the construction all the time. All the street closures. Today's street closure is cool though. Run out of runners. I'm a runner myself.
Ring the bell if you want to stop the gondola. Ring the bell if you hate billionaires.
You gotta keep the streets for the people, the parks for the people. Parks for the people. Billionaire Frank McCourt wants to close LA State Historic Park to build this gondola. Shut down 81 trees.